Hi, this is a demonstration of why sunspots appear dark. And for this demonstration, I have a overhead projector and I have a second light bulb. Now, notice that the light bulb is bright. And we know that the light bulb is bright because the light bulb is hot, right? Hot objects glow and give off light. And if I set this down on the overhead projector like this, you can see that it makes actually an image of the filament projected onto the screen here from the overhead projector. Now, I have not turned the overhead projector on at all. The only light going through the overhead projector is from this light bulb right here. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to turn on the overhead projector and we'll see what happens to the image of the filament of the light bulb. Okay, now here you can see the image of the filament light bulb projected on the wall from the overhead projector. And I have focused on the image on the wall so that you can see how things change when I turn on the overhead projector. So, you see right now that the filament of the light bulb laying on top of the overhead projector is hot so that it is glowing and we see the glow from it. When I turn on the overhead projector, what happens? Now the filament is dark. The filament is glowing. The filament is dark. Okay, so what's going on here? Well, we know that hot surfaces emit light, right? That they glow with that black body radiation. And a hotter surface emits more light and light that is shifted towards shorter wavelengths. So the light bulb inside the overhead projector is hotter than the light bulb that we're laying on top of it. So it emits more light and brighter light that drowns out the filament and makes the filament appear dark. See, the filament is still hot and glowing, but when we put the hot glowing filament in front of an even hotter object, it makes a shadow. So this is how sunspots appear dark on the sun's surface. They are, in fact, very hot. If the rest of the sun weren't there, those sunspots would be glowing in a way where you would see the light from them. But they're cooler than the surrounding other parts of the sun. And because they're cooler than the rest of the sun, they aren't glowing as much, and they appear dark, just like the glowing filament from the light bulb appears dark in front of the hot background from the overhead projector.